Now that we have been able to connect the tasks to the objects in this video, let's go and watch the animation together. We will check the settings together and finish this 4D. When you want to see the animation to see the problems and see what tasks are wrong, you have to open this singular part and hit play. And as you can see, they are making the project layer by layer here. As you can see, these are the railings here. If we move forward a little bit, we will see the floors. And this is the display area, as you can see. And this is the end of it. Now you can take a close look at this and see where it might be useful. For example, if I move a layer to another layer, it is clearly that the idea you had was not correct and part of it is not working. We have a number of configurations here in the configure section. For example, here you can specify that we only have a construction phase. For example, you can put this on the 70% transparent green. When it's completed, what does the configuration show? I say here, for example, show the model itself. Here, if I run the simulation again, let's see what happens. This is now the configuration that is supposed to start. See, some people, for example, do this. These are the configurations that are supposed to come next. You see it's not complete yet. It's still in progress. You can do this yourself too. Another thing you can do is that in the next settings section, you can give it a date. Say that, for example, I want this animation to be done from this date to this date based on the time program you have. But we don't usually do this. Here in the part that you can actually arrange to show a few % of other configurations as well. For example, I said 40% of other configurations that I will have in the future. Show it to me here. Here, which is actually the time of your animation. You can set it. The lower it is, the higher speed of creation. For example, if I put this on 30 seconds, if we want to test it, you see that they are created at a higher speed. Here you see that whenever I come from the settings section, I reduce it. The configuration that shows me is lower. But when I increase the percentage, for example, let's put it at 70%, it shows a higher number of configurations. It's also showing the next 70%. It's all green now, you see. Because it looks like it's moving, for example, you can put it at 20%. Guys, keep this point in mind that if you want to do this configuration in real time, some people want to rotate around the project and look from below or look from above. This can be done for animation, which we will check together later. And in the next video, we want to talk about how to export an animation file.